Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is internal energy, the total kinetic plus potential energy of all the particles in a system. By the end of this, you'll know how it differs from temperature. So internal energy is the total kinetic and potential energy of all the particles in a substance or system. Kinetic from their motion and potential from the forces between them. Adding heat to a substance raises its internal energy. Three things. 1. Kinetic energy of particles is linked to temperature. Hotter substances have higher average particle kinetic energy. 2. Potential energy between particles changes during a change of state. 3. Internal energy can rise without temperature rising during melting or boiling. Common slip, saying internal energy is the same as temperature. Temperature is a measure of average kinetic energy. Internal energy is the total energy of all particles, including their potential energy. Quick example. Add 1,000 joules of heat to a glass of water at 20 degrees centigrade. Water heats up, internal energy goes up. Now add 1,000 joules to ice melting at 0 degrees centigrade. Internal energy goes up, but temperature doesn't change. The energy is going into breaking bonds, raising the PE. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.